In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute a community in Reddit. Muting a community is a simple but really useful way to clean up your Reddit experience. Maybe there's a subreddit that keeps appearing in your feed, but you're not interested in its content, or it's become too noisy or distracting. Instead of unsubscribing or blocking everything related to it, muting lets you quietly hide posts from that community so they don't show up for you anymore. First, open the Reddit app or website and navigate to the community you want to mute. You can get there in a few different ways. For example, you might tap on the community name from a post in your feed, search for it using the search bar, or open it from your subscriptions list. Either way, make sure you're actually on the main page of that community, where you can see its banner, name, and posts. Once you're on the community page, look for the three dots icon. This is usually located near the top of the screen. On mobile, you'll typically find it in the upper right corner of the community page. On desktop, it may appear as an options or overflow menu near the join or leave button. These three dots indicate extra settings or actions you can take for that subreddit. Go ahead and click or tap on the three dots. This will open a small menu with several options related to that community. Take a moment to look through the list so you're sure you're in the right place. In that menu, you should see an option labeled Mute or Mute Community. Now click on Mute. When you select this option, Reddit will usually confirm the action or update the setting immediately. After muting, posts from that community should no longer appear in places like your home feed or recommendations. This helps keep your browsing experience more focused on topics you actually care about. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the community and look for an option to unmute it in the same menu, or adjust your muted communities from your account settings. For now though, that's all you need to do. Open the community, tap the three dots, and choose Mute. By following these steps, you can quickly tidy up your feed and make Reddit feel more tailored to you.